I am 5 years old. Can I get Naam from you? I love you. I love you too. I love you very much. Beautiful. When Naam can be understood, basic understanding, you can get initiated. Great Master used to give half initiation, half Naam to young children. You are a small child and you grow up a little more, you can get half Naam. And he used to give half Naam consisting of how to listen to the sound within. Little children having much less attachment, not having too many desires, very limited desires, were able to hear the sound quickly. It was a good beginning. When they grew up older, became teenagers, they'd go back to Great Master and he would give them the second part, the repetition of words and listening further to the sound within that comes after concentration of attention. This was a common practice with him. So, I have a picture from the time Great Master went to a hill station called Kalu Ki Bad in India. My dad and I were also in that group traveling with him. And he saw a bunch of children. And they said they are seekers because their parents are seekers. Will you give them some blessing? He said, gather them. They are under a tree. They just gathered outside. And the assistants who were accompanying Great Master asked, would you like to do chanti? Chanti means selection of people who are ready for initiation out of these children. He said, they are all selected. No chanti. And he sat them and gave them half Naam to all of them. Some were 6 years old, some 7 years old, very small children, all of them. And this was a great scene for us to see. I have met those people when they grew up. One of them came and saw me here with a white beard. Same boy I saw in that village. And he came because his son is working in America. So he was very keen to see me. And when I saw how beautiful, how much they have progressed in the spiritual path. How great was the look of that Great Master. Led me to think, are we marked souls? Because that's the theory, that masters come to pick up marked souls. And we are marked for each master. And when our time is right, such a master appears in our life. Is it true that we are marked souls, or is it true that when a master looks at us and selects, we get marked? I have now begun to believe that maybe a master can mark us, then he looks at us. And therefore, it's all his mauj. You know what the meaning of mauj is? It's an Indian word. Actually, Punjabi and Hindi word. In Punjabi, it means have fun. Let's have mauj. Maujan kariye in Punjabi. So it's a very... And when we say it is his mauj, how are we translating it? It is his will. There's no connection between will and mauj. So I have found a different way to translate this. I say mauj is playful will. Because that's what I found. These masters are very playful. They have immense power, which we cannot see, because they live like ordinary human beings. But their mauj is great. So when the mauj fell on those people, and they got initiated, it was remarkable. So, my dear friend, you will get initiated, maybe in 2 stages, half initiation and full initiation, just a little while later.